G'day everyone, Mick from Mick's Butchery Service. Today I'm going to show you how to break up a hindquarter of beef. 7 steps, so let's get into it. Let's remove the flap first. So start here, round near the round there, run your knife down, leave a bit of a tail on the T-bone, straight down, just like that. Then grab a handsaw, take that off, straight down, like that. So that's done. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this T-bone off. So run your knife just at the top of the fillet there. We just need to peel that fillet back. I'll just show you how to do that. Sharpen the old knife. Right. You'll need a beef boning hook. Right, get your knife in there. Run it down the fillet. Try not to cut into the fillet. Follow the bone. In there, once you go so far, that should be able to peel back. Peel that back. And then at the bottom of that bone there, try and find the bottom of it, and when you do, get your knife in there and just run back along that bottom of that bone to the joint at the top of the T-bone. Still finding it, just bear with me. Yep, so I found it. Run your knife so far, and then you should be able to, no, not quite yet. I need to go a bit more. Go like that. All right. That's T-bone. What we're going to do now, take off the top side. So find the seam there on that side where the silver side runs down. Other side, just run your bone along the, run your knife along the bone. And then you should be able to just follow that seam to separate the top side and the silver side. Run your knife in there like that. You're going to need a bit of elbow grease here. Push down on that top side so it peels away. If you can see now, I'm running along the bottom. I've hit that bone. And at the bottom of the main bone there, there's a joint that you need to get through. All right. So, you can see that just there. I've cut through that joint. Run your knife along the bone there, and the bottom of the silver side there, you got to follow that bone up a little bit, then come back down. So I've opened that up. Right, so what we're going to want to do now, go through that joint, come back along that bone there. So we're getting into the rump there. Try not to cut into the rump, just follow the bone. Some stage everything should just give way there, and here we go. We're getting there. Here we go. So just cut through there, follow that bone, and at some stage we should just be able to put a bit of pressure on there and peel that away. Just give it a bit of like that. Go in there. Like that. Come back through, cut that off. And that's the top side. Righto. Next cut, we're just going to take the rump off. So you see the bottom of that bone, basically just cut just below that. Like that. And that's the rump. Righto, next one, we're going to take the round off. So the kneecap basically there, so just above that. See that seam there? Follow that, other side. Just come down. Follow that. Just need to sharpen that knife. Righto, let's do it. Right, yep. So we start that side. And then along that seam there, see that seam? Just there, put your knife on a bit of an angle and just follow that down. Don't go too deep. Just follow it. And you'll see that seam in there. Sometimes I overshoot it, but what you do here, I think I've gone alright straight. Oh, hang on. See that there? I overshot it a little bit. So if I just cut that back, go back in here. Still a little bit there, see that? And then you should have a bit of pressure, the old elbow grease. Get your knife in there, which you might have to do. Sometimes they peel straight out. So there we go, that's the round. That's that one. Put him down there in that tub. Right, what we got left, silver side. So see that joint there? Just basically make a line across there. Get your knife. Don't go too deep because you don't want to cut into the gravy beef. You'll see it, yep, see that? Just follow that around. Follow it. Just like that, don't go too deep. I've gone a bit deep there. Yep, we're getting that. Right, so just once you hit that bone, peel that off, put that down there. Right, what we're left with is the gravy. Just cut through there. Follow that around. You see that seam there? Just follow, get your knife and follow that. Don't go too deep. You just don't need much pressure. That'll peel off if you get the right seam. Just like that. And that's the gravy. And then all you're left with, also bucco. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If you want more information, go to micksbutchery.com.au